ඉංග්‍රීසි සරල වාක්‍ය 10ක්. He seems to be busy. ඔහු කාර්යබහුලයි වගේ පේන්නේ. He seems to be busy. She seems to be active. ඇය ක්‍රියාශීලී වගේ පේන්නේ. She seems to be active. He seems to be clever. ඔහු දක්ෂයි වගේ පේන්නේ. He seems to be clever. She seems to be intelligent. ඇය බුද්ධිමත් වගේ පේන්නේ. She seems to be intelligent. You seem to be lazy. ඔබට කම්මැලි වගේ පේන්නේ. You seem to be lazy. You seem to be tired. ඔබට මහන්සි වගේ පේන්නේ. You seem to be tired. He seems to be honest. ඔහු අවංකයි වගේ පේන්නේ. He seems to be honest. You seem to be hungry. ඔබට බඩගිනි වගේ පේන්නේ. You seem to be hungry. They seem to be modest. ඔවුන් නිරහංකාරයි වගේ පේන්නේ. They seem to be modest. She seems to be generous. ඇය ත්‍යාගශීලී වගේ පේන්නේ. She seems to be generous. Thank you.